Ever feel like your money controls you instead of the other way around? What if you could flip the script and start controlling your money instead? We're going to explore practical and stress-free ways to master your finances by exploring following topics. 1. Craft a budget that actually works. 2. 5 effortless ways to boost your savings. 3. Uncover the latte factor. 4. Build your financial safety net. 5. Start early, retire happy. So let's dive in. How to create a realistic budget that works for you. Let's dive into the world of budgeting. It's not as scary as it sounds. Think of it as your financial GPS, helping you navigate where your money goes and making sure you're on the right track. Step 1. Honesty is key. It's time for a financial heart-to-heart. Track down every single source of income you have. Your main job, any side gigs, even that occasional $20 you find in your coat pocket. Then, list out all your expenses. Step 2. Needs versus wants. This is where things get interesting. Divide your expenses into 2 categories. The needs, essentials like rent, groceries, and bills, and the wants, those fun extras that make life enjoyable, like dining out or the latest tech. Step 3. Crunch the numbers. Time for some simple math. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. If the result is negative, meaning you're spending more than you earn, don't panic. We're about to fix that. Step 4. The 50-30-20 guideline. Think of this as a helpful starting point, not a rigid rule. 50% of your income goes towards your needs. 30% is for your wants. 20% is dedicated to savings or paying down debt. Remember, this is just a suggestion. Customize it to fit your unique situation and goals. Step 5. Embrace the flexibility. Your budget isn't a tattoo. It's more like a living document. As your life changes, so should your budget. Got a raise? Awesome. Adjust your numbers. Unexpected car repair? No problem. Tweak things again. The goal is to have a budget that works for you, not against you. 5 painless ways to save more money each month. Saving money doesn't have to feel like pulling teeth. Here are 5 super easy ways to save more every month without even noticing. Automate your savings. Set up your bank to automatically transfer a bit of your paycheck into savings. Right when you get paid, you won't even miss it. Use cashback apps and loyalty programs. If you're shopping online, make sure you're using apps like Rakuten or Honey. They give you cashback on stuff you were going to buy anyway. And don't sleep on loyalty programs at your favorite stores. Meal planning. Plan your meals for the week and stick to a shopping list. This helps avoid those midweek takeout orders and cuts down on food waste. Plus, it'll save you a surprising amount of cash. Cancel unused subscriptions. We all have subscriptions we don't use anymore, like that streaming service you forgot about. Take a few minutes to review and cancel the ones that don't add value to your life. Negotiate bills. Call up your service providers, whether it's for your internet, phone, whatever. Ask if there's a better deal. You'd be shocked at how often they'll lower your rate just to keep you as a customer. These tweaks might seem small, but they add up. You'll end up with more cash in your pocket each month without feeling like you're cutting back. The latte factor. Is it really holding you back? Let's tackle the latte factor. You've probably heard that cutting out your daily coffee could save you a fortune over time. But is that really what's holding you back? Look, skipping that $5 coffee might save you some cash. But if it's something you really enjoy, cutting it out might backfire. You might feel deprived and end up splurging on something else later. Instead of zeroing in on tiny purchases, focus on the bigger ones that have a real impact. How often do you eat out? How many subscriptions do you actually use? What about that car payment? Could you get something cheaper? These are the areas where you can make cuts that actually move the needle. So, don't stress over every little purchase. Find a balance that lets you enjoy life while still making progress with your money. How to build an emergency fund that gives you peace of mind. An emergency fund acts as your financial safety net, protecting you when unexpected expenses arise like car repairs or medical bills. Start small. Don't feel overwhelmed by the goal of saving several months' worth of expenses. Begin by setting aside a small amount each month, even if it's just $20 or $50. Aim high, but be realistic. While the ideal is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved, adjust this goal based on your individual circumstances. If you have dependents or unstable income, aim for the higher end. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund each month. This set it and forget it approach makes saving effortless. Seize opportunities for extra savings. When you receive a tax refund, work bonus, or any unexpected windfall, consider putting a portion or all of it into your emergency fund to accelerate your progress. Keep it separate. Maintain your emergency fund in a separate savings account, ideally one with a high yield interest rate. This prevents you from accidentally spending it on non-emergencies and helps your money grow slightly over time. Remember, building an emergency fund takes time and dedication, but the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're prepared for life's curveballs is priceless. Saving for retirement. Start early and make it a habit. Retirement might feel ages away, but the sooner you start saving, the more you'll benefit from the magic of compound interest. It's like earning interest on your interest, allowing even small contributions to grow into a substantial nest egg over time. Take advantage of employer matches. If your employer offers a 401k with a match, take full advantage of it. This is essentially free money, and missing out on it is like leaving cash on the table. Explore IRAs. If your employer doesn't offer a retirement plan or you're self-employed, consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA. There are two main types, traditional and Roth, each with its own tax benefits. Research both to see which aligns best with your financial goals. Make saving automatic. The easiest way to save is to make it automatic. Set up regular contributions to your retirement account directly from your paycheck or bank account. This way, you'll consistently save without even having to think about it. Start now, no matter how small. The most important step is to start saving now. Even if you can only contribute a small amount initially, it's far better than waiting. Over time, those contributions will accumulate, benefiting from compound interest and providing you with the financial security you'll need in your golden years. Remember, saving for retirement is a marathon, not a sprint. By making it a priority and taking advantage of available resources, you can build a comfortable retirement and enjoy peace of mind in the future. Finally, to conclude, imagine a life where your money works for you, not the other way around. It's not about sacrificing everything you enjoy. It's about crafting a financial roadmap that lets you savor life's pleasures today while paving the way for a worry-free tomorrow. By creating a budget that reflects your unique lifestyle, uncovering hidden opportunities to save, and adopting mindful spending habits, you'll transform your relationship with money. And by preparing for life's unexpected twists and turns, and planning for a fulfilling retirement, you'll unlock the door to true financial freedom and lasting peace of mind. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.